Hey guys, it's Garrett from Alderson Cadillac. I'm a Cadillac sales consultant and I'm here today to show you a how-to video on our all-new HD rear-facing mirror camera. So this bad boy is located right up here. It is your rear mirror. And to activate it, to get it to the camera and not just your typical mirror screen, you're going to pull the little lever behind the camera and it'll activate it. So it brings up a nice HD clear picture. And what this is going to do, it's going to allow for X-ray vision to go through the back of the car. It's going to eliminate blind spots and just any objects that might typically be in the way through the back. Now with this, you can fully customize it. So you're going to feel 3 buttons to the right hand of the mirror itself. The button on the left is going to get you activated to start your customization. So it's going to bring up a check and a few other things off to the side. So the check is going to allow you to go through the 3 different files on here. The first file is going to be brightness. So you can make it brighter, you can make it dimmer, however you want that fits you best. Now if you hit the check again, it's going to bring you to your zoom function. So you can zoom in quite a ways or you can zoom out, whatever your preference is. And then the final customization is going to be the position of the camera itself. So you can move the camera up, you can move the camera down, just whatever is comfortable with you. And like I said, if there's ever a time where you need the camera to go away, you just move it forward and you're back to your normal mirror. Now this feature comes available on almost all the Cadillacs that we have to offer with the technology package. Come in and see me today to get a first-hand look at this feature for yourself. Again, my name's Garrett Sullivan, Alderson Cadillac, 806-319-1312.